Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we're on day 12. We are about halfway through the Christmas season. So day 12 of my advent calendar from Lozziecreates. Again, all of her information is below. I know they said this at the beginning of every episode, but I do want to make sure that some of you guys go follow her because she puts out some nice content as well. So go down there and follow her. But today's hint is: may this cute friend keep you company or look simply adorable. I know it's a plush, so I'm excited. What do you guys think it's gonna be? What plush? What? Give it a guess. Is it an Eevee or is something Studio Ghibli? I'm trying to think of all the things I collect. Well, Lozzie knows me, so I'm sure it's gonna be cute. So let's open it up and see. It's an Eevee. Look at this. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's one of the crane ones, too. That is adorable. That isn't one I have yet, so of course it isn't because it's from Japan. But look how cute she is. Oh, I love plushies so much. I wish you guys could see on the other side of my room. I just have one of those, like, little hammocks, and it's full. I need to get another one, and I just need to find another place to put it. I don't know. Like, I should have, like, 2 little hammocks, maybe. But, yeah. So that is today, day 12. Tomorrow's day 13, and it's the 13th of the month. Well, of course it's the 13th of the month. It is Friday the 13th is what I meant to say. So, make sure you tune in tomorrow to see what I get. And, well, the 13th for me is always a lucky day. But best of luck to all of you guys tomorrow. Everybody have a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holiday, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.